Brett introduced me way back in the day when we were working together to the low bid lottery, which, are you familiar with this, Andrew?
Totally. Yeah. He and I
we might have different definitions. You and
Same
I did?
thing.
Oh.
Same idea, but no, me and Brett. Brett told me about that too. So yeah.
How do you define it?
There's a few different ways you could define it, but I would say most people call them like catch-all campaigns. They are campaigns that are highly aggregated and that have low bids, but receive some sort of algorithmic benefit due to just the nature of the structure. And so basically campaigns you're having set up, this is what I would do. One ad group, bunch of products, low bids.
Yep.
That's how I describe it.
Yeah. And the idea here is you never optimize the bids on this campaign. Like if your typical CPC is around $1, you're setting these bids at like 5 cents.